Ladies and gentlemen, my dear viewers, my dear student, hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ikra College Online Learning Department, where you can improve your English speaking. Today I'm going to teach you a very simple lesson that is on adjectives. Very simple lesson, and when you master these, you'll be able to make some sentences, some basic sentences using some of the words you find them common in English. Look at these words. We have the word good, we have better, then we have the word best. You know, these are words that are used to describe nouns. They tell us more about names of people, they tell us more about people, they tell us more about places. We call them adjectives. We have the word good. If you want to say it is very good, you can say it's better. If you want to say it is very, very good, you can say it is best. Nevertheless, I'm going to show you some sentences, an example on how to make some sentences so that you know how to do it. But let us just look at them in this way first. Good, better, best. That is good, very good, then very, very good. The second word, we have the word bad. Social media is bad. Very bad. Worse. Social media is worse. We're going to make some sentences. We're going to look at that. Then we have got very, very bad. We can say worst. Friendly. Friendly person. This person is friendly. Somebody who is a good friend, who can make a good friend. Somebody who can, who is a sociable. Somebody whom you can work together. He likes you, you like him. That person is friendly. He's friendly. This person is friendlier. Then we have the word friendliest. Friendly, friendlier, friendliest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You realize that some words you just add ER, and when it comes to, that is the middle one, the comparative, then the others you just add EST. But not all of them take that formation. Others changes totally from better to best, from worst to worst. But this is what I'm telling you: hot, hotter, hottest. Tall, taller, tallest. So others take that form, but not all of them take that form. We have got others, for example, the word beautiful. Beautiful, there's no way we can add ER. Therefore, what do? We add the word more. More beautiful. Something that is very beautiful, we can say most beautiful. Most beautiful. Beautiful. More beautiful. Most beautiful. Now, let us look at some of the sentences in this structure. Let us try to use the one in the middle first. Africa is better than Europe. Yeah, of course, Africa is better than Europe. I know you're like, Africa is better. No, Africa is better. Somebody say, Europe is better. No, Africa is better. Africa is better than Europe. So when we use the word in the middle, the one we call them the comparative, they should be, we should have the word than just in front of them. Africa is better than Europe. So you must have the word than, because we are comparing how many things? Two things. Africa and Europe. Therefore you say, it's better and how? Better than. Better than Europe. Then, how do we use them when it comes to superlative? The one that is with a higher degree. He is the worst person that I know. He is the worst person that I know. So we say the word bad, worse, worse. That means worse is very, very bad, in an extreme way, extremely. So he is the worst person that I know. So when we use superlatives, we should have the word the before superlative. He is the best of all the people, maybe 20, 40, 100. He is the best. She is the worst. She is the worst. He is the friendliest person that I know. We have got very many friends, but he is the friendliest person. Maybe it's Hassan, maybe it's Abdullahi. He is the friendliest person among us, very big number. We use that one. Then when it comes to better, just to remind you, for example, I've given you a sentence. Let me give you another sentence. My city is better than your city. So here we have two sentences, two words. My city and your city. Two things we're talking about. Therefore, we can say, my city is better than your city. So when you talk about two things, make sure you compare them using the ones in the middle, the one we call them comparative. And when you're talking about many things, you compare them using superlative. That marks the end of our lesson today. Try and have a look at much of the other adjectives, and in so doing, you'll be able to improve your English. Thank you so much. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.